Hey there, today we're going to look at how to share Google Calendar with others step by step tutorial. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. Over here, sign in with your Google account if needed. After that, look at the top right corner and click the gear icon. Then select Settings from the drop down menu. On the left side, scroll down and select the calendar you want to share. Over here, find the section called Shared With and click on Add People and Groups. Enter the email address of the person you want to share with. After that, use the Permissions drop down menu to choose the level of access like See Only Freebie, See All Event Details, Make Changes to Events, or Make Changes and Manage Sharing. Then click Send to share the calendar. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.